Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will learn about scope resolution and its functionalities and how it is used in accessing global variables, class members, and namespaces. Let us begin by copying our existing code and paste it over here. Rename it to namespace. Close the project. I will delete the existing files. Come to main.cpp, and here I have all the uh, functions. Lastly, we discussed about constructors and how we used setters and getters and the different functions. So I will begin by copying the existing class functions, and I will put it outside of the class def. Okay, the definitions will be outside, and I will remove all the uh, function definition inside the class and let it be as a function prototype. Okay, so this is how we create the function prototype in the class, and like semicolon, in semicolon, and here also semicolon. So now if you see that we cannot access the constructors or the function outside the class. Okay, what to access it, what we will need to do here is we need to add our class name and just add two semicolons to so that we can have an access to the constructors or the member function. What I will do is just copy this and paste it over here, then here. Okay, done. It is also done. And this is not our member function. Okay, it is outside of our class. So this is how we use name scope resolution to access the class members. Okay, now if I build it, it will build, and will see the values. But before that, what I want to do is I will show you one. I will create one global variable over here as well. Int global variable. Okay. So this I will initialize to 0, and if I want to access it inside the main, okay, if I want it to access over here, so I will again use the double colon and use the global var and assign it the value 10. Okay, and if we printf statement over here and global variable uh, colon and percentage d comma global variable. Okay, will create a new line and return carriage. Copy it from here to here. So we will see how the values change. Let's build it, and it's built. I will connect my board and my UART. So I have my board connected, and let's flash it. I will keep it default. Once it is done, let's open the Teratome and I will clear. Okay, so here, if you see, like all the functions we are able to access, as well as the global variable before assigning the value of 10 and after assigning the value of 10. Okay, so we can see all the how we have accessed the global variable as well as the functions. In here, what we can also do is we can in the source file, we can right click and create a header and source file. So instead of creating individual header and source files, we can simply click on class, and the class name would be temperature sensor. Should not have space. Okay, and there will be a constructor and a destructor. We can keep it. Okay, and we can use the namespace. Okay, so it says that class already exists for now. What I will do here is I will rename it to temp sensor. Okay, so it is the same thing, but I'm just creating to show it. Okay, so here we have temperature sensor, and here we have the class, and you can see in the class we have our that is generated. We already have it, like the name spacing. Okay, so if you want to change the name spacing or something, you can do it from there when you are like creating the new class and header files. Okay, and you can simply copy this functions and paste it over there. Okay, so like we have that temperature sensor, that's why we were not able to create it. That's it. Thank you.